This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, March 17th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have some energy along the Gulf Coast. Another piece of energy moving into the Rockies and Intermountain West. That'll be bringing a storm system toward us here on Tuesday, but today we'll have southwesterly winds ahead of that, and temperatures back into the upper 30s north to maybe near 60 in the south and western counties, with some sunshine, a few more clouds in our northern counties, however. That system then brings in some rain here on Tuesday. You can see the low pressure center is down west of Kansas City, and you see no or little of any moisture around here on the GFS. But when we take a look at the NAM, you can see this is at the same time at 1 p.m. You can see a lot of Iowa has some scattered shower activity with a bit of rain and snow mix across the north and a little bit of snow across the plains as well. And then that system moves off to the east here on Wednesday. We could see some lingering clouds with a bit of flurry activity around or a sprinkle, with readings down into the 30s and 40s to maybe near 50 from north to south. Thursday looks to be a bit warmer. We'll jump back into the maybe 40s to lower 50s across the state from northeast to south and west as the winds turn southwesterly. It'll be mainly sunny. Friday will be a little more cloudy with a chance of maybe a slight chance of seeing some rain around. Highs will be from near 40 north to low 50s in the south, and then that system moves away and brings the cold air back down. That could drop readings back into the 30s to maybe low to mid to upper 40s across from north to south, with some sunshine around. It'll be more cloudy than anything. Sunday it'll be a little more sunny, maybe partly to mostly sunny, with highs about the same as Saturday, upper 30s north and east to maybe low to mid 40s in the south and west, maybe a bit warmer than that. Then another disturbance comes in here next Monday, and this could bring us some rain, maybe a rain-snow mix, depending on the temperatures. Mainly rain during the day, with highs mainly in the 40s and 50s. Going into the extended period on March the 28th, we have pretty much a zonal flow across the country, straight out of the west. Pieces of energy well up in Canada. But that's not going to mean that the storms will be away. We'll have one frontal system that'll be just south of the state. Could see some precipitation with that. Another storm moving in the northwest, and some rain in the south and east as well. And then at the end of the forecast on April Fool's Day, April 1st, big trough digging into the south and west. And that's a storm we'll have to watch if we see something like that, because usually on the east side of a trough like this will be a big storm. And as you can see here, there's a big storm here. Southerly winds, the Gulf is open. This would bring rain, maybe thunderstorms, could be severe weather, but this is way out there in the land of voodoo and could be gone. Satellite image from last evening. Well, this ain't voodoo. There's a storm system along the southeast and east coast producing some rain and a bit of snow. Next storm moving into the northern Rockies and Pacific Northwest. That'll be in here on Tuesday. The watch warning map from last evening, some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in the mid-Atlantic, some fire red flag warnings in the plains, some winter weather advisories and wind advisories out in the west and Rockies. KPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days. This goes through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, showing precipitation heaviest along the east coast down into Florida, across the northern Rockies and northwest. Around here, maybe up to 1/10 or 2/10 of an inch of liquid equivalent.